y'all, this is Boone from Manor Farms, and today we got a little dab of hay to bale. I think it's about 15 acres, maybe 20, I can't, it's somewhere in there. It's round bale. So I'm following rake hand over here to leave his truck, so when he gets done he can leave the rake there since there's more fields to bale. But it's supposed to rain tomorrow, so Dad's spraying the beans right now. And then we're gonna get this hay raked and baled today, and then I guess after it rains 2 or 3 days we'll bale the rest of it. There's about 25-30 acres left after this, so we'll just get going here. I just figured I'd show you guys what I'm doing today. Finally got second cutting alfalfa handled. Still got some round bales to haul off the field, but I figure we'll get that done. I'm going to work on hauling the load while he's raking that, and then I'll move the baler over there and get started baling. Getting this hay hauled off of here. On 30 acres it made about 65, I think, or yeah, right around 65 alfalfa, so not terrible. It ought to be really good hay. And we square baled about 600 or 700 bales of alfalfa. We're gonna get this trailer loaded up and then go haul it over there to the bale lot, flip it, and then hook up the baler and head over there to start baling that hay that Maddox is raking up right now. So just already recording. So this trailer it's supposed to be made for 10 bales. These are 4x5 bales. So this is the 10th bale right here. And then it leaves this much room. So we usually shove an 11th one right there, and it just almost fits like perfectly. Kind of hurts the hazard deal, but just like perfectly fits on there. So we'll go get these dumped and then hook up the baler. For load number 2, should be the final one out of this field. Let's get it hauled. The one bale that didn't put any net on, so getting it out of here right now, and then gonna hook up to the round baler and go over there and bale that hay, and then I guess, I don't know. Hopefully that's not too big a deal. We're just I'm gonna put this bale with some calves we've got pinned up right now. That would be good on it. And then, yeah. Had these calves pinned up so we didn't have to fool with opening and shutting the gates every time we hauled the hay. So I'm gonna open this back up for them, and then they're back in there by the pond. But I just figured I'd get them set back up where they can come back out here. But Got it all hooked up. Just gotta tie this to the lift arm here so it don't get in the PTO shaft, and we're gonna head over there to the field. Oh, you can see the whole field down in there and goes back. And then here's the mower and rake tractor here, so we'll just get started on it. Got the remote switch tonight, how I usually have them. That's gonna take some getting used to. We'll probably make around 4 or 5 bales an acre. It's pretty good hay, and we're just baling them 4x5s. That's what he wanted, so we're baling them for this guy. So, well, we got it rake and baled it, but it's not our ground. But everything's going good. The 7420 really pulls this baler good compared to that 6120. And I'm just baling the corners out right now so that I can go around and around without going through them every single time. So got number 4 about to come out of here. There's a terrace that runs down the center of this field, and I got the top side baled, and now I'm on the big bottom side, so it's all going pretty good. This is a 4x5 baler, so it's supposed to make 60-inch bales, right? Well, I was like, I think it's set at 59.5, I think, you know, the alarm or whatever, but I screwed around, was going down a hill and stopped a little bit too late. And I made one 62.5, and it looks pretty nice. I'll show you one right there. It's like the monitor said oversized and everything, but it wrapped it fine and everything. It's kind of like not circular, but it's not too bad. But we're just trucking along here. Keep on going. Also, I had one roll down the hill, and it's in the middle of a windrow over there. I'll put the video clip of it in, but kind of funny. I baled 40, and starting to get the red line on my bales, which means I'm almost out of net wrap, so I'm gonna have to put the roll of net wrap in that I brought with me. I have to spit out number 41. But in 2 or 3 bales, I'd say I'll have to go there and switch a net wrap. But I guess I'll show you when to do that. starting to dry on me a little bit. I'm trying to get in that first roller there. So I'm just trying to hurry up and get it baled before it gets too dry. Oh, it made at 66. The last one was not full size, but 66 on about 15 acres maybe. Works pretty good out there. Now I'm just gonna head home and put the baler back in the barn. It's supposed to rain. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe, leave a comment. I'll make sure to respond. And keep making cool videos. Thank you, guys.